Ejisu. So mo pede mo ha ne say.
Oh, next time someone come be the I was able to.
No, I just want to have a fair idea. Also mo ha ne say. Say mama ne assembly ni.
Onye na omse na so de onye adwuma.
Na so de no assembly na yon papa there.
Hey.
No, you see sometimes the reason why tell me beside these questions
I am papa there.
I am papa there. I am papa there no man from papa met now. Look,
do you something say?
Me person me a better understanding of your more.
A better understanding of the more can say. Omo use assembly ni mra. E dey aye adwuma. Ne ma bi wo ho a demolition, sika bi aye business operating permit. I was a company bi dey I was ba. Omo so omo the roofing sheet ne ba, omo hwehwe assembly ni krata mu ne nim. Ena omo hia no obetua 29,000
tobo.
Ene
Sejo tobo. Come back to na no ya a year by report e by. Na hwe Ejisu baby omoda. Omoda say.
I say ayidi
omo financial report omoda say. Check it mami. Why mpacho. Me need that information to the check mami. Near hwe baby omoda. If the assembly is really performing or not. Near who say assemble moka no. One, there's an atom of truth in it because you cannot perform na paper. Why can say what fail?
Okay.
If on paper, so what fail is also there because I mean some of these things is based on a paperwork. We are living in the paper economy, and it's if on paper. Let's say what we are performing there, and I report this. Just say be a report, be a normal. Be na question. Can't be no actual report. No. A more authenticated report, no one will say correct there. Then there's no need for this.
No. When the report and now kind of, I mean, accurate.
Me person who baby or down. Just give me that reference. You who baby or down.
Almost one can say.
Forget about your demolition. Me person who baby or down. We are near account demolition.
Your man where assembly no.
Assembly bear.
Assembly na nimbe guase.
Assembly na nimbe guase. So what am I there?
Mami where
then I move on to some man. You who baby or down. Just so that's here. That is my concern. Yeah, who maybe just that is here who say if he is performing or not. Say if the woman is not performing now, then you have every right. Then you're really a crowd now. You're really a crowd and can say. Ego can say she is not performing and I said they are not performing. Now we who maybe you're that in Ashanti region. Yeah, who maybe you're that.
Ashanti region.
So I'm coming at that first. In Ashanti region. Yeah, we had that was no. 43 mmds
just a 10th.
Just a 10th.
Yeah.
So averagely, she performing or not? Is assembly performing or not? So what are they talking about? Whatever they are trying to do is for their interest.
Move 2 steps up.
It is not
from
not that
last 2024.
Not that
12.
Not that 12.
Yes.
And about 10th. So it means she is gradually picking up and also picking up. In fact, on the average. She is more than an average friend is an MC.
Oh no, baby, out of 43.
43. That's order number 10 now. I mean, it's a plus to her. It's a plus to the assembly. So what are they talking about? Assembly no Mokano. Says she's not performing. You see, sometimes Sir John, no matter me, I can say no more can be true. There is one fundamental thing people should understand. You can say something that is right, but with the wrong attitude or approach.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Omo hu ne mabi wo maame ne ho. Se maame ne nte brofo. Me boa. O to me express the whole in the English dialect. Me boa.
Sana wo hu.
Sana kwofo ne ka. Sana bi no mo ka. And I mean it's obvious. Now no ye Akoma speech here hu ne okeka e.
O what brofo na unse public speaking.
But I know the say public public speaking shouldn't be your problem. What you know say out brofo. O de ye friend of Anton Chen. It is a more who say maame no e that deficiency. It's a any miss be on the be the be remember. No fit say
some friend committee you know at the committee level pa. Over can
I don't have any problem with that. I don't have any problem with that. But so they are trying to use they are trying to use other means. Some people say oh that maame we dey naive kakra. It's any yempe kwa bi so fa so ne fa brofo fantata no. Ye mo the buga because that particular place is heavily dominated by the NPP. Beboa. It's not an NPP constituency. Heavily dominated by the NPP. And most of these assembly members, about 90% of them or more, may be NPP people. So, in a way, a diversionary tactics just to frustrate the woman to make it look like she's not performing. And when the majority says she's not performing, obviously, other ones will be influenced On paper, she is working. What is the problem?
Government appointees, Kran Suanka. Mami Biankai.
Mami no conform the can who say
the albino cram, Grofa Bina Boom within your call as government appointees.
Yes,
against.
Okay, so they are against whatever process or whatever they are doing. No problem. On paper, Mami Yejuma, maybe what?
Oh yeah, I mean.
In fact,
the last time Obaha, I mean, project or a lot of.
She's doing exceptionally well. Okay, in this year, Juma. Na say a personal human attitude. I don't need to be a friend before I meet you know why Juma.
Well, we go beyond just personality.
Of course, in the I didn't say all the personal issues.
Court order.
Na court order or a lawyer. Assembly in India. So court order na mo kanu. Assembly in India. It is for the interest of the assembly, not the personal interest. It's a court order na say we flouting over the court rules. Who is to be blamed? It is the assembly, not her. Or your lawyer.
Anyway, you heard the no kwakwa. Send me you kwakwa twaba.
No, it never do all they are just frustrating the woman. Omunya no bo church or hono. They are just frustrating her. Munya no mo church because you see in this very particular region, what are people saying? I don't know chastise Zuba. But the right thing must be done. Say ya the say ya no chile to me yeah. Mamina is doing something that is right there, but step on people's toes. You understand? She is stepping on a lot of toes, and that toes also is making it look like she's doing the right thing, but probably with the wrong approach or wrong attitude, and that is the reason why the people are aggrieved. That's say, oh yeah, then I say yeah. Denya omo ho ni na ye kofo japade na se kofo ne mana otietia so. Meanwhile, obekwa kohwe mukra na kofo ni papers, and so mu ni tumi krata from the yes adema no.
Me ose maame say oshia committee no say the other side because court no dey order but say mun demolish and the other side no e dey akon to the same court akon secure the stay of execution maame na sem no nti I'm say enya documented
they
feel that assembly ni nyane de the stay no a nipa no akokogye no e was say documented me
no so omo had to say you see that is what I said a person interest you understand and when you don't have your interest at hand and I say be as a who say we interest no be tete as well and then you will strike and as a strike so you will have to go and lobby through people and strike except otherwise to say legitimately the woman's attitude assembly no and papa but in any case she's not a lawyer or a lawyer under the assembly court does assembly no lawyers assembly no lawyer maybe so maybe sir
definitely they have a lawyer
so if the assembly has a lawyer no more court no more could bim or no and some more could bim that's what the assembly here juma to me catch under the juma also why they I mean what kind of frustration is that
okay
maybe in a personal human relationship and I affect whatever it is. A bit about say me my titi baby is almost but that is not my issue. I don't need to be your friend before say me know why you juma. Me ye wa juma na say me no the way sit here. I'll just do it and go away. Even though human relationship is one key thing.
So at the end of the day,
but no very good relationship with the I don't know what to me.
Let's wait.
You see, there are a lot of reasons why people do certain things, but it shouldn't undermine the interest of the majority of the people. Because whatever demolition exercise be or if it is of good interest to the majority of the people, then of course he has to do it. For example, a case study. Maybe I'm not comforted about hundreds of people and are affected. But it doesn't mean somebody or because it is going to benefit the larger people. But of course, over the years, assembly that you share ham on what me I never be ma anko ye. Na so no so or banner so ye bibia. Yes, common sense would have to tell her say, oh slow down because we are only just for the same community. And if you apply human face all the time, you are going to fail. Sometimes you need to also apply the law. You need to also apply principles. The principles would have to work for you. Okay. And you bibiana and ye kwa kodwe ye de ehwehwa no na ye kwa vote of no confidence and ye say and ye fa near omo hu se maame no ni book se mo form nti ene omo de ehwehwa no Say the beya ultimately na adwuma ye, but that is not the way to go. Seriously speaking, that is not the way to go.
Right.
Omunya no yen na adwuma.
Mmdas.
If they feel otherwise, say mama no okay, ultimately you want kwa koto aba. Omo koto aba na wi in any case, the woman is not a friend, an elected member. She's an appointee. And on bear endorse no. The president can say, okay, may you free her. Muni MC be regional minister and may MC then I'm bear.
ABS parent here they are ABS parent.
You see, the interest of the community should be at hand, not the interest of individuals.
Okay. Evans, Nkum.
Sir John.